Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving out of Spanish Town, the actual town itself. Now the two main roads into and out of Spanish Town are Burke Road and Brunswick Avenue. So we are going on to Brunswick Avenue now and we're going to be driving out of the town. So we're going on to Brunswick Street now. We're now at the intersection. Well, when you turn left, we go on to Martin Street or Brunswick Street. If we turn left here, we go on to Young Street, and that will take us back down into the heart of Spanish Town, the bus park, the plazas. On the left is Cumberland Lane, but we are staying on Brunswick Street. So at the end of this road, it will take us down to the Spanish Town bypass, where we can go into the Angels area. So this is one of the main roads out of Spanish Town. Or, and if you're coming in opposite direction, one of the main roads into Spanish Town. Atmosphere, Total gas station, and Domino's Pizza. I'm going to take a quick drive through the plaza and then we continue on Brunswick Street as we head out of Spanish Town. Okay, so here you can see the Domino's. This is a very small plaza, but it does very well because you have the supermarket, you have a food store, but you have so many people living around the area that the supermarket alone is a major draw. There's also a pharmacy here. Straight ahead is a Total Brunswick. Okay, so we're going to go back onto Brunswick Street now. So if we turn left here, this will take us back onto the Spanish Town Road bypass. So if you're heading back to Kingston, it's probably easier to take it from there. But we're going to go straight and go onto the Spanish Town Road bypass from this road. So if you're heading towards the north coast, then this is the way you would go. Or if you're going to Bog Walk. So before the Spanish Town Road bypass was built, this is the road you'd have to take. If you were trying to get to Kingston, you'd have to literally go through the town of Spanish Town. And that would create traffic, additional traffic for the town. So the bypass was built so that you could go around it and a lot faster and less traffic. Alright, so straight ahead is the Spanish Town bypass. If you turn left, that will take you back to Kingston. If you turn right, this takes you to the Angels Estate area and also towards the Bog Walk North. So if we continue on this road, we would end up at the Bog Walk North. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.